Hello, everyone. Welcome to NTV Celebrity Night. I shall be your host for the night. I am Pramukta Chaudhary. And today, for this episode, we have a very special, talented individual. His name is Mr. Dinesh Kumar, son of Sarguna Raja. He is an actor, director, cinematographer, entrepreneur, and the list goes on. He has directed multiple short films, such as Friendship, Room 106. He has also directed a few music videos. He has directed a few documentaries. And not only that, he has also been awarded with multiple awards. For starters, it's the Best Direction Awards. And he has also been awarded Best Short Films by UNESCO. So without further delay, we would love to have Mr. Dinesh onto the platform with us. Can we have him here?
Hello, hi, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
So how was your
Thanks.
weekend?
Yeah, it's quite interesting and quite nice. Thank you for that. And then it was just quite difficult because of the CMCO. Can't go
Yeah,
out anywhere
CMCU has
because of
been
the
really
COVID.
challenging for everyone.
Yes, you are right.
so is this your first time in a Bangladeshi celebrity talk show?
Yes, this is the first time with a God grace. I got a chance to talk with our people, Bangladeshi. And hello, hi everyone. I'm Dinesh here. And thanks for all your love and for your accept me for this celebrity night.
We are very thrilled to have you. So what do you want to tell? How do you feel about being on NTV?
Actually, I can say it's a blessed because all the kind of celebrities and of so much of the models. I just follow up some of the posts from NTV. So yeah, it's very quite interesting. And I have what I have to say. I feel very happy. That's the I can say so much.
I mean, we are very happy to see you, and you have
Mm.
accomplished so much in such a young age. So we are very inspired by you, and of course, we want to know more about Mr. Dinesh himself. So,
Okay.
starting off, tell us about yourself. Like, where did it all start? How did you become a director?
Okay, it's a quite long journey because I'm started on 18 years old. So when at the time I'm working as a night security guard. So that's my first job I've been working in my entire life. So then at that time I have an thought just how about I direct a one short film in the title of Friendship. Actually I love acting. So I thought, okay, first of all, I seeking for the chances, but no one gives because I'm still young on that age, on 18 years old. They say, so go and study first lah. Who wanna go for acting?
Yeah,
Not so worth like that. So okay, never mind. Chances didn't get. We don't have to build it. So only though who can create the chances is a director. So I be a director and I be the artist. Then I create one short film. So from that I learned so much of my mistakes. So then from the mistake I improvise myself. So until now I'm learning from my mistakes.
So, how old are you now?
So I I have to tell her that one. Okay.
Okay, now you know what
Okay,
we
no.
spoke
I'm
about.
26. I'm
Oh,
26.
that's so young. You're 26, and in 8 years, I mean, in eight
No,
years,
no, from
what?
8 years, 18.
I mean, yeah, lah, so
18.
26 plus 6 plus, starting from 18 now, so 8 years already, my your journey.
Yeah, oh yes.
In the journey of 8 years, you have already like accomplished so much. Like,
Mm.
you have so many music videos, you have directed, acted, you've been an assistant director for many. Like, you've also been a cinematographer for the Mugen Rao 2018 mashup.
Yes.
So those
Not
who
only
are
that,
watching,
for the another one is for Abhinaya song. The one is I think reach a few millions views in
yeah,
the YouTube in a IBP studio because I'm under IBP label artist also.
you have your own office also, right? Clip Nest
Yes.
Production.
Yeah,
So
clip
when did
Shawnee
this?
Shweta. Now
Yeah.
I'm at my office.
Oh, you're at your office now.
Yeah,
Nice,
that's all.
nice. So when did you open up this office?
Last year on July, 1st July
First
2019.
July.
Just
So you
recently.
so you produce like different short films and music videos.
Yes, not only the short film and a music video. I try to do like a corporate projects like corporate, advertisement, including that also.
Mm, mm, mm. So, as you said, you started at the age of 18. So, where did you study and all? Did you study directing or acting in a university in Malaysia?
Okay, actually, that's a very good question. Lucky you was asked for it. Okay, I was in this field from since 18 years old, but in the current moment, I have one problem with my friends. So then they mentioned that, so I not have any education side from this field. So I just figured out, okay, if you want to get a proper stage, we have to be have education for what kind of business or the projects. So what I do, I go for polytechnic at the Perlis. I'm studying at the Perlis for 2.5 years in diploma in video and filming, and just I recently finished. Then I'm waiting for my
Oh,
graduation.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Wait,
Just wait for
so
my grad.
yeah, hopefully. Because of Corona, I think it got a little
Yeah,
postponed,
everything was
right?
postponed.
Yeah. Even mine also. My graduation also got postponed because of Corona. So
Oh,
yeah.
same
Mm,
situation.
yeah. So I wanted to ask, since you said you were studying for the past 2 years, so and
Mm,
you were also, directing and acting. So how did
mm.
and also the fact that your university is in Perlis, it's in another state entirely, and you're based in Selangor, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So how did you juggle education and work at the same time?
So okay, I just focus my education on for 5 days. On the weekdays, I will focus on my education side. And on the weekends, I focus on my own production. I just started build like doing a little short films or seeking for the annual opportunities like music videos. And then okay, for 5 days, I'm just totally focused at the police. I'm staying at the police. Then every weekend, I will back to Selangor, back to KL, and do my own business like for like event shoot productions or music videos. I just follow with that.
That
And okay,
shows
it's a very
how. Yes,
it's
you were
actually
saying.
very good experience, but a little bit tough also because every week I have to travel over there, over here, need to see so many of stuff. I need to spend some expenses.
Yeah,
Quite
I mean,
difficult.
through your hardworking journey, it's evident through all the productions that you have directed and all. Like everybody can really see how hard you've worked throughout your
Mm.
journey to becoming a director. So, following that, like as you said, you were a security guard. You were working as a security guard, and then suddenly you had a thought that why not acting? Why not directing? So my question is like, why suddenly? Like, did you get inspired by someone? Because like, as we all know, a very prominent South Indian actor is none other than Rajnikant, our Talaiva. So like,
Okay.
I'm pretty sure one part, every boy has their small, tiny, mini dream that, they want to become like Rajnikant. They look up to him. So
My
like,
my
who are
favorite actor
your,
is Rajini. Of course, my favorite actor is Rajini. Still now, since kid until now,
yeah, he
only
has his
actor is
style.
Rajini.
So has he been like has he been like an idol? You've been always following him and all?
Mm. Of course, only role model which I can mention is Rajini sir. So he
Rajni.
is the guy. I will follow all his styles and even from his video. If you saw his movie, right, got so many of the messages. Each of every video got messages. Same goes to me. If you saw all my short films or music videos, you can saw a kind of messages over there. I following what he's do. I
So
really
you
love him.
so like you keep him in mind while you direct your
Every
shows and
time, each
everything.
of
Yeah.
every time, I will keep him in my mind.
So he has been like your idol and like your role model throughout your directing career,
Of
directing
course,
and acting career.
definitely.
That's really
No,
interesting.
no, no words for that. I just say definitely.
I mean, yeah, I mean,
It will.
everybody has a whole respect for Rajini sir. I mean, he's a next level.
How about you?
My favorite
How
actor,
about your? Ah,
South Indian would be Rajnikant and Vijay. I really like Vijay, and
wow.
I'm a Vijay fan.
Oh,
And
okay.
North, North Indian would be I like Amir Khan, and like, currently I'm starting to like a little of Ayushmann Khurrana's movie and all. Yeah, and
Hmm.
Hollywood side Chris Hemsworth, straight up. Always been a fan, always will be.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Avengers inspired me.
Hmm. You got
Okay, so
anyone from Malaysia?
Malaysia, well, I've not really been following much, but recently after Big Boss India, the Tamil Big Boss, I got my attention got towards Mugen Rao, and I'm like following him
Wow.
around and seeing. I mean, he's all over social media, lah, so
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, of course. He's a very
Mhm.
good friend of mine also.
He sings really well also. If I'm
He's very talented guy.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. So following on that, because I'm pretty sure all our viewers want to know more about you. So, if you had a choice, if not acting or directing, what other career path would you have taken
Other than this,
other than this? Yes,
other than this, actually, I didn't think about it. But if let's say I got chance, means I want to be a cop,
a cop,
police.
policeman. Why? Why a policeman out of nowhere? Policeman.
Actually, I really love to be a cop, but unfortunately, I was met with an accident, so I was a
Oh,
disability to join as a police cop, to
oh.
be a policeman.
It's okay. Once you direct,
So
it
the acting
becomes a
acting
cop.
will be my second part of my life.
So acting is always something that you've truly loved.
Yes, true.
Okay. So, following that, you said that. I mean, I'm pretty sure, as you said, you've learned a lot of lessons from your journey as a director and then as an
Mm.
actor. So, could you tell us some of the challenges you faced throughout your journey?
Okay, the challenges is actually so because the challenge at the time I was made a mistakes, so people will scold me and condemn. So okay, I just think one thing. I want to learn something new. It's okay, never mind. I just accept my mistakes and just keep quiet. So, but I will improvise myself. Okay, if let's say if anyone scold me means okay, something I made a mistake which I didn't know. So I will try to improvise myself. So that's why still now I made like a someone. I be a someone in the industry. Because I learned all the I say I accept all the mistake which I done. If I didn't accept my mistake means definitely I can't improvise anything. So that's I say is a difficult part lah, because every time they will scold me, they will think I'm like a cheaper. Oh, still young lah. So some of this guy not handsome also, and not so talented. Hey, serious ah, serious. I don't. Yeah lah. You look at me. And then he says,
You're
sorry.
very talented. You're very talented. There's
No,
no doubt there.
on the beginning stage, on the beginning stage. So they
Yes.
says this guy is not so talented, not so handsome, and what background score we got. So that kind of the struggle journey which I faced on. So even from my own teammate also. So they saw I'm like a seem like I'm not so worth for them. But now they saw if I achieved so many of the things and I done so many of the projects. So they saw oh, Dinesh is like a someone. So now they are seeking for chances, but still I give chances to them. I didn't show my faces lah. I just be as
That's
myself.
very humble of
I
you.
just
That's
be
really
I
very
just be
humble.
myself. Thank you.
I mean, they always say, right, the key to always improving is learning from your mistakes. So,
Hmm.
yes, and the fact that you're staying humble and giving other opportunities is very praiseworthy, no doubt that. So,
Sure.
yeah. So, another question is that as a newbie, when you were first starting out, like when you approach the director or like did you start directing at the age of 18 itself, or did you approach other directors first and then asked to like work under them, or like, how did it start
Okay.
off at the beginning?
I approached to other director first to on my 18 years old. So now that time they says I'm just finished my SPM for in Malaysia. They says on form 5 after finish my form 5, just asking seeking for chances. So that time I didn't get a proper chances on that time. So what I do, okay, I just have like a small little camera that time. So I using the camera and we act, and then I and my some of my few friends, which we study together. So we do on projects. So one by one, lah. Of course, first project everyone says, hey, not so nice lah, not so good lah. But the message is nice. Your acting also okay, but you have to improvise. Okay, fine. I accept what the comments. So then, okay, for the next following project, I done again, but still people say it's not so nice. Okay, never mind. Third, I do it again. They says okay, quite good. Yes, okay, never mind. So I do fourth one. They says you still need to improvise. So then okay lah. So what I do, I make my last story. Is the name of title is a Kadasimuchi. It's one of my masterpiece still now. If you ask me, my masterpiece means I will say my short film Kadasimuchi. You can see in my list
On
because
YouTube.
the reason because the reason is I was hanging in a rope for 3 seconds for real without any without any background stand. I was do the for real because in the short film I give a message don't commit a suicide. So that's the message. But in the movie I says I want to do for the stunt, I want to do for the real. So I just really do for you. So I set up my friend on my front, on my back, on my side. I say, sir, you just let it hang for the 3 seconds. Then you just carry on. I says, okay. Then my friend scold me. Hey, are you serious? Are you mad? Yeah, I'm mad. You just do what I say. I says, you just do what I say. So I was hanging rope for the real,
Yeah,
and then. From that shop, everyone looked me like a different way of part. They says, hey, this guy is crazy. This guy is but very talented, very good. They look me like something new for me,
yeah.
So
They
then I
see you
realized,
as someone worthy lah. Like
yeah.
you
Then I
can bring you to a production and all.
yeah. That's then only I start to realize, okay, I know my part ready. So I just follow in this track. So I changed my track. Then slow by slow until now I'm using the same track on which I started on 2000 no on my 21 years old, sorry, on my 21 so concept 5 years
5
ready.
years
So
back lah.
it for the 3 years I'm still keep on failure, but on 21 years old I'm started to achieve still now
So you
with a God
faced
grace.
a couple of failures, but you had success coming through your door after that.
Yeah,
I mean,
after 21.
That's very. I mean, you've truly put in a lot of hard work and dedication to it, and it's very noticeable through your productions and all of that. And as you said in the beginning, you had a few failures here and there. So like I'm pretty sure you have, like, not even then, now also you have a few negative feedback here and there. So how do you
True.
deal with them? Like now, even after achieving a lot more, being more successful after the age of 21, and like how do you deal with like negative criticism or like feedback? Like how do you approach them?
Just with my smile. Just with smile.
Just smile.
Just with a smile, because still I have as you say, I still have a problem. Like a fake account, they will create a fake account, and they says, hey, this guy is like this, don't do any project with him, blah 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 like that. And then somehow they says they have so many bad comments and bad review, but the people who knows me very well, they can understand about myself. So I just no need to worry. I just ignore all the negative and go with
Focus
my
on the
own track.
positive. Yes. Okay, so with that, we'll have a short break, and
Okay,
we'll
sure.
continue right after the break.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Thank you.
আপনার অনলাইন অভিজ্ঞতা পাল্টে দিতে নতুন রূপে হাজির হয়েছে ntvbt.com, দেশের প্রথম পূর্ণাঙ্গ ইনফোটেইনমেন্ট পোর্টাল। এখন আরো ফাস্ট, আরো আপডেটেড, আরো বর্ণিল। রাজনীতি, অর্থনীতি, খেলাধুলা, বিনোদন, বিজ্ঞান ও প্রযুক্তি, জীবনধারা, শিল্প, সাহিত্য ও সংস্কৃতি, আইন আদালত, ধর্ম ও জীবন, ভ্রমণ, চাকরি চাই, মত দ্বিমত, প্রিয় প্রবাসী, ভিডিও সহ রয়েছে আরো অনেক বিভাগ। ব্রেকিং নিউজ সহ এক ক্লিকেই পাচ্ছেন সবার আগে সব খবর। গুজবে কান নয়, পড়ুন, দেখুন সঠিক খবরটি। আছে এনটিভিতে সম্প্রচারিত নাটক, সিনেমা, গান সহ বিনোদন ও সচেতনতামূলক সব অনুষ্ঠানের ভিডিও উপভোগের সুযোগ রয়েছে। এক্সক্লুসিভ ছবির গ্যালারি, এক ঝলকে দেখে নিতে পারবেন বিনোদন সহ বিশ্বের নানা ঘটনার বিশেষ মুহূর্ত। বিশ্বের যে কোনো প্রান্ত থেকে সরাসরি দেখতে পাবেন এনটিভি। বাংলার পাশাপাশি রয়েছে পূর্ণাঙ্গ ইংরেজি পোর্টাল, ডেস্কটপ, ল্যাপটপ, ট্যাব, মুঠোফোন সব ডিভাইসের সুবিধা। ntvbd.com, ফেসবুক, ইউটিউব, টুইটার, ইনস্টাগ্রাম সবখানে। পড়ুন, দেখুন, মন্তব্য করুন। ntvbd.com, আপনার হাতের মুঠোয় পুরো বিশ্ব।
Hello, Mr.
Hello,
Dean.
hi. Yeah,
I'll just
we are back.
Yes, we are back. To the viewers who are tuning in, we are in conversation with Mr. Dinesh Kumar. He is a very well-known actor, director, cinematographer of the Malaysian cinema here. So, based on that, I have one question. I mean, I've heard around that you have also directed a Bangladeshi model here for a music video. So, would you like to share your experience on that?
Yes, of course. I have to tell with to our people, Bangladeshi people. His
We'll be
name
very
is.
proud to know that you worked with a Bangladeshi model, like a
It's
Malaysian.
actually first time I'm working with a Bangladeshi model, Badr Nahid. He's actually very nice guy, very humble, and a very talented too. I very appreciate work with him, and I still want to work with him for my further project. Okay, so actually the shoot was in a 1 day shoot from since
1
morning
day
to night, just 1 day from since morning to night. Actually, we have been meet at a brief. I mean a Bukit Bintang. It's a one kind of place. So then actually we just saw then when the time I was I have a shoot with my another project. Then he saw, hi, hello brother, you're doing the shoot. Yes bro. I says yes brother, and say okay, I am so interested in the shoot. Oh yes, okay bro, I'm Dinesh. Then he introduced himself,
So it was
and then
very
he just
impromptu, lah. It wasn't like
we
a
just
plan.
meet up in a side by nearby the roads. So we just meet up. He saw me when I was working in my production shoot. I was doing another music video. So he saw me. Then I said, bro, I also interested in shoot. Yeah, yes, sir, bro. Okay. Then only we start to recognize. Okay, you know about myself. I know about him. Then I just he also says I also love to do some project, brother. Oh yes, sir. Okay. Now then I have think about it. How about I want to do a project with Bangladeshi people? Then someone I approach him, bro. Is that okay if I do a project with you? He says, okay, bro. What character? Is it like a friend role or like that? No, you the main guy. I say, hey, are you serious?
Oh.
No, he says to me, hey, are you serious? Are you not joking, bro? No, brother, you the main guy. Yes.
So
What?
the idea suddenly that like okay, I have to do something with him. Like suddenly, what brought it? What triggered it?
I'm
Like,
sorry.
this idea- Like what triggered the whole idea of like wanting to like make a film with him, like a short film with him, like
Okay,
Like-
actually the thing is okay, as a director I can know which they are really suitable or not for the type of the character which I've been predict. So if let's say not everyone can do all the characters. So I have one story already. So then when I look at him, I just figure out, hey, the story which I done before, I just wrote it down. So I say this guy will be more suitable for that. I say this guy is very perfect. Then I look for the pair for him, the heroine. So heroine, I have to look for like same like Bangladeshi faces almost at least like Hindustani also should be okay, fine.
someone to go
So
with.
can't be too Indian. So if too Indian means not, but okay, still okay, but it won't be to Bangladesh. Some of the Bangladesh people or Malaysian people won't accept that. So I need to be a same pair for that. So I found out one girl. Her name is Ranjini. So she be a pair for the brother Nahid on the project. And then I explained the story. And they say, hey, very nice. Is that a short film of Banasa? It's not a short film. It's a music video, official music video, which have a coloring tone, Spotify, iTunes, all set. Then he says, wow. He says,
He
wow.
was very interested, definitely.
So
Nice that
simply
you
I
have
was
potential like that and all. I mean, as a director,
I'm sorry.
can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah. Okay, I hear you.
No, I was just saying that it's truly a good thing. I mean, as a good director, you always have to be able to spot potential in an actor and like harness their potential and make them do good in a typical production or a film and all. So yeah, that was truly a very interesting story. So I'm hoping you all had a really great time with each other.
Yeah, I have still now, even in the morning also, you have make a video call from Bangladeshi and says, "Hi bro, congrats for the NTV live stream." And definitely I will watch. I'm very sure he also watched our
So
live
if
stream
he's
right now.
watching, he'll be very happy to see you on the
Yes,
platform on NTV
it's a very.
itself.
I am supposed to need to thank to Brother Hanan, Brother Salaudin, and Brother Nahid, all of the Bangladeshi people and Mansur
Yeah.
Sheikh, everyone, each of everyone, I need to thank to personally for give a chance to be a part of family from part of a family from a Bangladeshi.
We are
I
very,
really thank it.
yes, I'm pretty sure everybody is really happy to bring you into the part of the family. So, however, due to time constraints, I have to wrap the show up very soon. But before leaving, what advice would you give to like any aspiring actors and directors like yourself? So, like, what advice would you give them?
Okay, just be humble and don't see anyone so cheap because you can't predict. They can be any stage or in the future. So don't condemn. Don't be a criticize. Don't make them so down. Just help as much you can because on future they can be a someone
Yes. So it's
for everyone.
always stay humble.
Uh, just stay humble. Don't show off lah. Because if let's say go to 10K followers, 20K followers, or you be so much high background, please don't show off because that won't be so permanent. Anything can happen in any time. Just be stay
Alright,
humble.
be
Just
humble.
stay chill and be happy.
Be happy. Yes, I'm pretty sure that advice is helpful to everyone who's watching. So, before leaving, do you want to tell any? Like, I'm pretty sure your fans and all the viewers on NTV are really happy to see you. So, would you like to give them a few words?
Yeah, I have to order for a second. Phone. Order na. So, sorry, come again.
No, I mean like as we're soon to finishing. As I'm gonna wrap up soon. So before leaving, I'm pretty sure a lot of your fans and the viewers of NTV and Bangladeshi people are watching you. So what would you like to tell them before we wrap up the show?
I guess hopefully it won't be a mistake because I just right now in the Bangladeshi words. Ami sokol Bangladeshi vaide janai suveso ho অভিনন্দন আপনাদের কাছ থেকে যে ভালোবাসা পেয়েছে সেতে কখনো বলতে পারবো না আমিও অনেক ভালোবাসি বাংলাদেশিকে এবং ভালোবাসি মালয়েশিয়া থাকা সকল প্রবাসী বাংলাদেশি ভাইরা আসুন আমরা এক সাথে কাজ করি ও ভালো কিছু নির্মাণ করি
Wow, that was really good.
I'm so sorry. I'm very weak in the way of present.
The attempt that you made is really praiseworthy. I'm pretty sure everybody was very proud to see you say that and really happy to see you speak in Bengali and doing it really well in the first attempt.
Oh, am I?
Not bad. I mean,
I'm just read it out.
It's very good. Trust me, it is good. So
thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining NTV and giving us insightful ideas and background. And I hope we get to see you work with Bengali artists more in the future. Hope to see you more. So with that, NTV, I would like to conclude for the night. I would like to thank NTV for always providing comprehensive and unbiased news, as well as diverse range of entertainment such as talk shows, reality TV, movies, and all. And not only that, through COVID, for always giving us live updates on news and also giving us entertainment. And lastly, I would also like to thank NTV Malaysia and our dear representative, Mr. Kaisar Hamid Hannan, for giving us the platform to showcase talented
Thank you, brother Anand.
to like showcase their talent to all the individuals and viewers watching NTV. And lastly, thank you to all the viewers of NTV for tuning in tonight. Also, I would like to thank our cameraman. His name is Salahuddin Kajol. Thank you for operating with us. And lastly, to all the viewers, keep watching NTV. Keep watching NTV Celebrity Night. Keep an eye out for that. We have a lot of celebrities coming in every week. So hope to see you there. Like, comment, share. And for this Corona situation, stay safe, stay healthy, and let's all be happy. All right. Good night,
Okay,
everyone.
thank you so much. Thank you
Mr.
for that. Thank you for your day also. Thanks
you.
everyone.
আপনার অনলাইন অভিজ্ঞতা পাল্টে দিতে ntvbt.com বিশ্বের যে কোনো প্রান্ত থেকে যে কোনো সময় সরাসরি দেখতে পাবেন এনটিভি। পড়ুন, দেখুন, মন্তব্য করুন ntvbt.com।